I'm going to do an unboxing of this, the Redmi 6 Pro. Now let me, before I take the phone out, tell you about the fact that it's a dual camera phone. It's got a nice big screen, 5.84 inches, great battery life. It's got a Snapdragon 625, and the version I have in my hand is 4GB, 64GB, and it says black. Now once again, if you see the specs and then I tell you the price, you'll realize how aggressive once again this market is getting to be. Let's take a look at the phone. All right, so the phone is out, and immediately this is what it says. This is what it says, the big sticker, Redmi 6 Pro, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AI dual camera, large pixels, then a 5.84 inch full HD screen, a 19 by 9 full screen display, therefore it's got a notch, 4000 mAh battery, and like I told you, a 625 processor. So in terms of looks, I would say that, look, it's a nice looking phone, but now with what the Oppos and Vivos and Realmes of this world have started to do, I would say that this is a notch lesser. That then is, of course, what the phone looks like. Dual camera at the back, fingerprint scanner, notch in the front, and a good solid screen with a great battery. Now let's take a look at what else that they give in the box. So in the box is, of course, I'm sure it's going to be a cover. Yes, cover and documentation, charger and cable. There is no headphone. Review next week.